Adding gelatin to your morning coffee can completely flip the script on your daily routine. Let me explain. It's a simple tweak that's been gaining traction, and for good reason. The gelatin trick is a game changer. People are raving about the way it helps them wake up without that sluggish feeling, and it's all because of the way gelatin works with your body to promote a sense of lightness and clarity. Think about it. When you start your day with a rich, gelatin-infused coffee, you're giving your body a gentle nudge towards better digestion and more energy. It's not just about the taste. Although that's a nice bonus, the gelatin trick is really about setting yourself up for a day of feeling more grounded and focused. My friend started doing this a few weeks ago, and she swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's helped her drop that heavy, bloated feeling that used to weigh her down. If you're curious about trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got you covered. Just head to the link in my description to learn more about how to get started. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment below, where I've shared some of my favorite tips for making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine.